Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this brand new listing for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright guys, we're out here at 485 Cheyenne Lane, kind of centrally located. This was just listed today, or rather yesterday, for $399. Sits in a cul-de-sac. So this sits on a pretty big lot, 12,371 square feet, that backs to a wash, which is a benefit out here as it offers some separation between you and your back neighbors. There's a lot of side RV boat type parking and access. Possibility to even build a little casita or maybe an RV garage. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, so this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath built in 1991. 1,136 square feet. Again, it sits on a pretty big 12,371 square foot lot that backs to a wash. Lots of room to add on. So it looked to me that everything is pretty much original to the 1991 build as far as the carpet goes. It's actually not too bad. It looks worse in the pictures than it actually is in person. You have a little informal dining area off the kitchen, and it looks like they enclosed the back patio to make it into like an Arizona room that has its own mini split. Laminate counters, dual sinks. Although it shows its age a little bit, it doesn't really look like it was used a whole lot. It's pretty clean. Even the older appliances look on the cleaner side. So you have your indoor laundry there and garage access that we'll go check out. So again, both bedrooms are on the same side of the house. First room you run into on the right is at the front of the house, and this is just a guest bedroom. It'll need some work as far as like bringing it up to speed with the popcorn ceilings, carpet. Has a little walk-in closet. So across the hall you have a guest bath, solid surface counter. Looks like there might be a skylight up there. Bath, shower, tub combo. So again, it's super clean for the age. Doesn't look like it was used very much at all. So at the end of that hall, you have the master, which is a pretty decent size. A little walk-in closet. And then your master bath has a single sink, solid surface counters, glass door, walk-in shower. Alright, let's go check out the garages and the outside. So back off the kitchen, you have your indoor laundry and access to the garage. So you have your original standard 2-car garage. It's 28 feet deep. Looks like they moved laundry to the other side of the wall. Has a little utility sink door to the outside. They also added a permitted 24-foot kind of RV garage, 10-foot wide, 11-foot insulated door. It's not super deep, but probably pretty good for like a taller pontoon boat or something, or some toys. So they turned the back patio into a air-conditioned Arizona room. Looks like they used 2x6 construction, sliding vinyl windows. Of course, they have the mini split AC. And then there's a ton of room outside to build, add on. Again, it backs to a wash. Kind of steps down, terraces down a couple times. Roof looks pretty decent. I got rid of the old swamp cooler on the top, bypass that. They have a little outbuilding back here that has a concrete foundation. So they just had it set up as like a little workshop. So there's your wash back there, and your neighbors way over there on the other side. So there's plenty of room for a pool or whatever you want to do really back here. They could have probably even blown that RV garage out a little bit more, take advantage of the space. Alright guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video of the walkthrough over here on Cheyenne Lane. Again, this one was just listed yesterday for $3.99. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page or right below this video, so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.